Hey everyone, welcome to the third video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. So in this day or in this video, I will show you the property margin. So I will tell you what is margin and how to use it in your CSS. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So first of all, if you will take a look in our website, so there is a p tag tutorial and I have given it a border to explain you clearly what margin is. Okay, so before starting, first of all let me create another p tag inside which I will write some random words, okay, like a random sentence here. Alright, and instead of this p tag I will give it a div tag. Okay, alright, so what margin is, in previous video I explained you what padding is. So padding is the space inside this border. So similarly margin is the space outside this border. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so let's start. Inside this p tag, if I will write margin, just margin, and I will write 10 pixel. So as you can see here, it will get a space of 10 pixel from all the directions, left, top, right and bottom. Okay, and to clear you what padding is, I will also write padding. So I will if I will write 20 pixel padding, so the padding is inside this border, okay, and the margin is outside this border. Okay, so let me just comment this padding out. Okay, I hope you are clear with what padding and margin is. Okay, so now let's see how you will write custom margin. Okay, so it is similar to padding. Okay, if you have seen the previous video, you know what I mean. So you can just write I can just write here. Okay, so let me just remove this padding, and if I will just write another 20 pixel here, or let's say 50 pixel, so this first one will be for the y-axis and this second one will be for x-axis. So I will save, and you will see that 10 pixel is from top and then 50 pixel is from x-axis. Okay, so if I will just do this, and you will see 0 pixel is from top and bottom and 50 pixel is from x-axis. Okay, so this is how you can custom set your margin property. Okay, another way is to like custom define every single side. Okay, every single side, for example top, right, bottom and left. Okay, so this first one will be our top, this second one will be our right one, and this one will be our bottom one, and then our last one will be the left one. Okay, so here as you can see here, 0 pixel is from top, 50 pixel is from right one. Okay, so 50 pixel is from this corner. Okay, this right corner of your screen. Okay, so it doesn't matter how long how the value, how high you have write the value, it will not affect this one until it is something like 700 or 800 pixel. Okay, so and this 0 pixel is for the bottom, again it will not affect until it is a high value. Okay, and this 100 pixel is for this left one. So if I will just do 1000, so you will see, as you can see here, it is here. Okay, so just overflow the page, so you don't want that. Alright, so this is fine, and I hope you get the point. And again let's do the same thing which I have done with the padding. Margin top, so let's say 10 pixel, and I will comment this previous one. So you will see 10 pixel from top. Alright, and then margin left, I will say 60 pixel. So as you can see here, a 60 pixel gap is there. So you get the point how to use margin and what is margin. Okay, so that's it for this video, and in the next video I will come up with another amazing CSS property, so do check it out. And that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.